What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to change the date and time of photos on the Galaxy S22. Now if you took a photo and you want to change the date for whatever reason you might have, maybe you don't like where it's placed in the arrangement of photos on your phone, you can actually change the date and time photos are taken. For instance, if I show you my date today, it's 10th March, but this photo shows it was taken on 13th March. So how do you do that? And that's exactly why it's placed at the top of my list. And even if I take other photos, this will always be at the top because my photos are arranged according to date and time. Anyway, to change the date and time on your photos, simply go to the photo you want to change. This is a nice photo. And then tap on the menu, the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then select details. And you can see the details here. You can see the current date and time. Simply tap on edit and then tap on the date and time. And now, as you can see, you can actually change the month, the date, and even the year a photo was taken. You can even go ahead and tap on time and change the exact time when a photo was taken. Can you go back? Now, if you want to, you can also put a previous date, maybe like 2017, and tap on done, and that will show the photo was taken on that particular date. Now, if you save and go back to the gallery, you should see this photo will go to the very bottom of my gallery. And that's basically how you can change the date and time of photos on the Galaxy S22. Maybe let me know in the comment section why you would want to change your own photos date. I would like to know. But don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.